Y'all know how obsessed I am with curly hair, and you know I love a full, thick wig. This is the best of both worlds for me, y'all. This is the perfect curly wig in my opinion, okay? And she's glueless, honey.
She wanna know me. I stay low key, all gas, no brakes, baby. Let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way, never out of my lane. Feel like you the one and the more one. So what it's gonna be? Baby squad up. We finna go.
If you're on the hunt for some bomb curly hair this spring and summer season for vacay season, I got you covered. This is a completely glueless wig install. I did use a little bit of spray for my install, but you can rock this wig completely glueless without any tape, glue, or spray if you would like. Y'all know I love super full hair, and I like my curly hair to look a certain way. Like I want little ringlets on the bottom. I want it to have like a little coarseness. I want it to look like real hair, okay? If you like this wig and you would like to purchase it, I have a limited supply available on my website. Once it sells out, I will not be restocking it, okay? I'm gonna have the link down below in the description box for you guys, as well as a pinned comment so y'all can easily shop the site. If you would like to see how I install this gorgeous Southeast curly hair, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. I'm really excited to install this wig, y'all. Here is the wig. As you can see, super full, 250% density. The texture is Southeast curly, so she has a nice texture to her. Absolutely love. And she is 26 inches long, y'all. Y'all see the fullness. All I did was co-wash this hair last night. This wig has a 5x5 HD lace closure on it, and as you can see, the inside of the cap is a glueless cap. It does have the silicone gripping inside of the cap. There are 3 wig combs at the top. There is 1 wig comb in the very back of the wig, and then you have this adjustable elastic band strap to tighten the wig. The knots on this wig have already been bleached and the hairline has been plucked already. I'm gonna go ahead and apply this lace tint spray under the lace, and then we can go ahead and put her on. Let's go ahead and start prepping the hairline. I'm going in with my alcohol. This is just a closure, so I'm just gonna use it right here on this area. Next, I'm going to go in with my Scalp Protect in that same area. So let's go ahead and install this wig. All I've done so far to the hair is co-wash it, so the hair doesn't have any product or anything in it right now. Let's go ahead and start laying this beauty down. I'm gonna go in with the Ebin Wonder Lace Bond Spray. You can definitely rock this wig completely glueless if you would like, but I'm gonna do just a little bit of spray. It's important to go ahead and let the spray get a little tacky before you start pulling the wig down. Okay, let's go ahead and pull the lace down. I'm gonna go ahead and take my comb and use the back of it just to lay that lace into the spray. And same on the side as well. Next, let's go ahead and clip up this hair. Then I'm going to take this elastic melting band and tie it all the way around, nice and tight. So the first melt we're gonna do for about 15 minutes, then we'll be back. We're back, y'all. I'm sorry, I'm like half asleep right now still. I went to bed at 3 a.m. last night. I have no idea why I went to bed that late. Actually, I do. I was like cleaning up and then I got the scrolling. Y'all know how that goes, okay? We're gonna go ahead and start removing this lace. I have been loving, you know what? I still have this little plastic cover on it. You might want to take that off, girl, before you start doing this. So I have been loving this eyebrow razor, y'all. It really gets the lace nice and jagged, and to me it looks like a lot more natural. So yeah, I'm gonna use that to get up close and personal to the lace all the way across. So the next thing I'm gonna do to really get that lace nice and invisible and laid in place is a little bit of melting spray. This is the Bellatique one. I've been using this lately and I've been liking it. So just go ahead and get that on the edge of the lace, y'all. It gets pretty sticky after a while, so just be mindful of that. I'm gonna take just a little bit of alcohol on this microfiber and go around the hairline. I don't want it to be all sticky on the very front. And then I'll use the back of my comb to lay that lace into place. Y'all know what time it is. Time to do the second meltdown. Tie this baby as tight as you can possibly tolerate, okay? Don't cause any headaches, but you know what we gotta do, okay? So I'm gonna keep this on for 30 minutes, then I'll be back. So it's been 30 minutes, y'all. Let's go ahead and take off the elastic band and see what we're working with. Okay, we are nice and melted now. Perfection. So let's go ahead and style this hair. You could definitely leave the hair just like this, nice and fluffy, but I want to define the curls today. So first we're going to make sure that this middle parting is perfect. So we're gonna work side by side. I'm gonna take my water bottle mixed with a little bit of leave-in conditioner, and we're gonna start spraying down this hair. Next, I'm going to take a little bit of mousse. I really like using this Lotta Body mousse because it doesn't leave a crazy hard cast on the hair. I just want to give the hair a little bit more definition, but I don't want to make it all hard because I don't like that. Like, we want our curls to still be nice and soft and movable. Curl pattern of this hair is so beautiful. I'm gonna take my wet brush to help me define the curls further. Really make sure you focus on those ends because I like those spiral curls on the ends, y'all. Like, look at those ends, so freaking pretty. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the same on this side and then I'll be back, y'all. So I'm about to do my makeup really quick, y'all. I went ahead and defined the curls on this side as well. So I'm just waiting for this to air dry. Once it's about 80% dry, I'll come back and diffuse it to get the curls nice and fluffy, but I'll be back once I finish doing this phase. So a lot of time has passed since y'all last saw me. I did my makeup, I went out to eat, I went to the mall with my mom, and now we are going to see what's going on with this hair. So it's fully air dried, okay? I didn't even have to diffuse it because it's hot out here in these Atlanta streets, okay? So I'm gonna go in with this Kerastase Elixir oil so we can kind of break these curls up a little bit. I'm gonna go over the top and then I'm gonna go over the full like body of the hair. This will get rid of like any frizz, because one thing about letting the hair air dry, like if you moving it and stuff, it can frizz up a little bit, but that's all right. To me, it makes it look like more natural and everything. So I'm gonna go ahead and take a wide tooth comb and we're just gonna start picking it out just a little bit, y'all, especially at these roots, okay? So not anything crazy because we don't want the hair to frizz up crazy. Let's just do a little something something. And this hair got a little twisted right here. So let's go ahead and just comb that out. Okay, so that's what we're working with on that side. And let's do the same thing on this side. Y'all already know we don't do thin wigs over here. So yeah, look at how full and beautiful this hair is. And I mean, it's just gonna continue getting bigger and bigger like the more days that I wear it. But I'm absolutely loving this Southeast Asian curly hair. If you're interested in checking out this wig, I'm gonna have a link down below to check it out on my website. I have limited supply, as I already told y'all. So if you're interested, run to the site. And if you haven't already caught up on my latest videos, go ahead and do that now, sis. I'm gonna leave the link right here.